Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can play music on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on your home screen, swipe across until you open up App Library. And in here, there is a folder called Entertainment. Tap on the Music app. This is the Music app right here. Now once the music app has opened, there are a few things that you can do. You can tap on Listen Now, and Listen Now will offer you some songs that you can play. So it's got topics, recently played, pop, stations for you, so you can listen to online radio, made for you, new song added, alternative, new releases. So you can go through the list and browse one of the songs that you like to listen to. Now you can also search for songs by tapping on the search button here, and you can put in the name of the songs that you want to listen to. For example, Someday, you can put in the name of the songs and it'll give you all the songs with that name, and then you can tap on it to play it. Okay, you can also browse. Tap on the browse tab at the bottom, and in here you can browse by different recommendations or category. So you can browse for all the latest music. You can tap on the CO button, and that will expand out and give you more songs. Okay, at the top here you can tap on the back key to go back to the browse menu. We can go down and we got Cardio Classics, On the Air 24/7, Local Music we love, browse by category. So here you can see you can browse by romance, party, blues, essentials, sleep, motivation, wellness, chill, feel good, focus, and fitness. Best new songs. And if you tap on the radio button in the middle here and tap on that, it will load up all the different radio stations that you can tap on the play, and on the radio it will automatically select songs for you. You can also play music directly from your library. Libraries are songs that you have downloaded on your device. So if you have already downloaded to your iPhone, you do not need to connect to the internet and you still can play the songs. In here, if you tap on the playlist, so in library you can open up playlist, and in playlist you can play songs from your playlist, or you can simply play songs. The songs will display all the available songs that is on your phone. So it is not categorized in playlist. It is not organized them. It's just basically all the songs one by one. All the tracks will be displayed in here. And you can search for songs by artists, or you can search for songs by albums. So you can go down here, and these are all the albums available in your library. And you can look for songs by composers. Okay, so that is this section are all the songs that are available in your library. So even if I select the song here, if I have already added to the download folder, even if I go offline, I still can play the songs. And if you have sync songs from iTunes library, it will also becomes available in here. And from the songs, you can simply just tap on the songs that you want to play. So here, let's say I want to play songs, just tap on that and it will start playing for you. And that's it. And you can see once you start playing the songs, there are also lyrics appearing on the screen. This can be switched on or off. And you can see here, you can tap on the menu at the top. In here you can delete from library, download, share song, view full lyrics, show albums, create station from these songs, and you can favorite or unfavorite a songs. And there is a controller in this music player. You can adjust the volume, you can add to playlist, you can set a repeat, randoms, or shuffle. Okay, so, and at the bottom here it tells you what kind of format it is. At the moment it is in lossless. That means it is all the songs and sounds coming from the original track. And that's it. That's how you can play songs or music on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro or the Mini or the Pro Max. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.